Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Paula, my channel is PJ Danita Trends, and today I'm coloring in another row in my low income savings challenge coloring book. And I want to take a moment to talk about something really powerful, something that if you act on it today, it could truly change your life, especially now at the start of the new year. So I'm going to start by adding up this row, and it ends up being $99, but I'm just going to round up because I'm trying to avoid dealing with the ones as much as possible with this. So anyway, I know the new year often feels like a fresh start, a chance to reset, but here's the truth. A new year alone doesn't change your life. It's what you do consistently that matters. So think about it this way. Every row I color in this savings book represents a single small action, not even a full row. Every square that I color represents a single small action. Now, it might seem tiny, just a few dollars saved, but each action builds on the last. One behavior repeated over and over compounds into something big. So whether it's saving a little money or spending a little less money, or even just choosing to start instead of procrastinating, one behavior can set off a chain reaction. One decision today can make your tomorrow completely different. And here's the exciting part. You don't even need to do it perfectly. You just need to do it consistently. One step every day adds up faster than you think. Most people wait for the perfect time, the perfect day. They'll wait for payday, the perfect month, the tax refund, my birthday when I'm going to get money, Christmas when you think you're going to get something. They're always waiting for that perfect moment in life. But the truth is, that perfect moment never exists. We all know how money is. Money comes and money goes, and there's always something else to spend money on besides keeping it for yourself. And we want to break that. We don't want that to be the case. We don't want everything else to come before you. And that's what I'm here to remind you of. Instead, start with one small behavior today, right now. It could be setting aside change. It could be setting aside $1. It could be setting aside $5. Whatever you do, you want to do it specifically for you. That single step is your doorway to transforming your finances. And that's why the start of a new year is perfect. Not because the date changes, but because it reminds us we can choose differently. A new year is usually your permission slip to do something new, to commit to one behavior that aligns with your goals. So think about that. What are the goals for yourself? What do you have for yourself? Imagine if you picked just one positive saving habit this year, just one, and repeated it consistently. By the end of the year, that small savings habit could completely reshape your finances. And it would also change your mindset. And here's the thing, money will start to come to you. You will start to attract money. And here's the other thing, it isn't just about big wins, it's about small daily wins. I went to Walgreens last week, was just one of those weeks where I felt like I kept attracting money. I got out of my car. There was a register reward, which is a coupon if you don't shop at Walgreens, for $7 that somebody just left. I guess they felt like they weren't coming back before it expired, or they weren't going to use it. And I took it, and it gave me $7 on my next purchase. So little teeny things come to you. So anyway, here's my challenge for you today. Make sure you pick that one behavior, that one savings behavior, and do it every single day. I want you to start it today, and I want you to do it every single day for the next week. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the perfect moment. I want you to start now. Whether it's taking a quarter out of your wallet and putting it somewhere else so that it doesn't get spent, it is specifically for you. And that's all that matters, that you simply start and then you simply keep going. Because one behavior done consistently can absolutely change your life. So as I finish coloring this row, I'm reminded that each small step matters. One row at a time, $1 at a time, one behavior at a time. You're building your future. Don't miss this opportunity. Start today. Your new year doesn't have to wait, and neither should you. If you're coloring along with me, thank you all so much. I always leave the link to this coloring book in the description box, and I'll also pop up a QR code if you simply want to scan for it. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. And if you don't mind, stay tuned. I'm going to pop up some other channels and give a quick shout out. And you may find some of those other channels interesting, and you may learn something by watching other people and surrounding yourself by people with a similar mindset. We've all heard the saying, show me your 5 closest people and I'll show you who you are. So be mindful of what your eyes see and what your ears hear. Whatever your goal is, whatever opportunity that you want to present for yourself to be in your life, you've got to create that and start making that your environment. So that's why I like giving the shout outs. But thank you all so much for watching. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.